Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install the Breezy Movie app on your iPhone or Android device. Alright, let's begin. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're not connected to any VPN. Now the second thing you want to make sure of is that you have enough storage on your device to install this application. Now open up the Play Store if you are on your Android device, or open up the App Store if you are on an iPhone. Now tap on the search icon over here and search for Breezy Movie App. You should find the Breezy Movie app over here. Simply find it, and then tap on that. You want to tap on the Install button over here. Once the downloading has been completed, it will be automatically installed on your device. Now, the tricky thing is that Breezy app might change its name and position over here in the Play Store or App Store, so it might be difficult for you to find it sometimes. And also, this Breezy Movie app is available in certain region. It might not showing here, because it is not available in my region. But if it is available in your region, you will see here. And second thing, all you want to do is keep on finding the application. And once you have found it, you can simply install. If you're confused about which application to look for, then the Breezy app is going to look something like this. As you can see at the top, this is Breezy Movie app's icon. So you want to look for an application something like this. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download and install the Breezy Movie app on your iPhone or Android device. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.